Hi fellow haunters, doing a quick video about how to be a zombie with makeup. I just have a really light concealer and I'm going to go with an even paler one, and then I have a powder that I like to use. I like to do a two-step process. A dark purple and a green eyeshadow. Just because you have two eyes doesn't mean they have to match for this. Think about rotting, okay? And then you can use black powder, or I like to use a cream pencil because it smears really well. And I can also do lines if I want to get fancy or whatever. But because we are being transformed mid-show, we're going to have to do it really quick. So hopefully, and I have my mask here, so we'll see how it looks afterward. I know everybody's mask is different. I know people are going to wear them, you know, they're more like this, and some of them are wide. So just be aware of how much of your face is actually covered. So let's see if I can do this really fast. Okay, so top of face, smear everywhere. You can do this with white, like if you have, you know, actual like costume makeup, but I don't know if everybody does. So I'm thinking, you know, what you can get, like Wet n Wild is an easy one. They're really cheap. They're like 99 cents, $1. So this is really hard doing this in a camera instead of in a mirror. Okay, I like to do powder. It helps it stay better. And again, I'm going to try to go for a lighter color too, so, but especially since everybody's got tans. This is the color I am in the winter. It's terrible. Okay, so there's that. Now, I like to do two different colors and like underneath the black because I think it just makes it look better, like rotting wise, I guess. And they don't have to be perfect, so feel free to smash it around a little bit. And like you can use your fingers for this too, because I know not everybody's gonna have, you know, utensils or whatever. Okay, and then I just do the black and kind of like follow your eye socket here with the bone. You can feel it. Make sure that you're not allergic to anything that's in the ingredients or whatever. That would be really rough. Probably look great as a zombie, but you know, your eyes will be all puffy and gross. Okay, and then I like to do like little cracks or whatever. And this is just if you have time, or if you feel creative, or you want to make it a little more whatever. But you get the basic gist. Take all the artistic liberty that you want to, time wise. And if you have red, like that would be awesome. Red lipstick or whatever that you can find, or if you have any of the fake blood, as long as you're not allergic to it, or it's not like some weird kind of paint. And then there we go. Maybe got the ours really well here. But basic idea. Yeah, so happy haunting. See you guys later.